What if I told you that right now, as you're listening, your data could be flying through dozens of servers, completely exposed? Unless it's encrypted, it probably is. Let's break it down. Encryption is the process of scrambling information so that only the intended recipient can read it. Imagine sending a letter in a language only you and the receiver understand. Even if someone intercepts it, they won't know what it means. That's encryption. It's not just for spies and hackers. It's used by your bank, your messaging apps, even this course platform. When you connect to a secure website and see the little lock icon in your browser, that means encryption is in play. But not all encryption is created equal. There are two main types, symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric encryption uses the same key to lock and unlock the message. It's fast and efficient, but both sides need to share the key in advance. Asymmetric encryption is more secure. It uses two keys, one public, one private. You can share your public key with anyone, but only your private key can decrypt the message. It's the foundation of how things like secure email, cryptocurrency, and digital signatures work. Now, why does this matter for the deep and dark web? Because once you step into those layers, privacy becomes everything. Encrypted messaging apps like Signal and Session use end-to-end encryption. That means no one, not even the app company, can read your messages. When using PGP, pretty good privacy, you can send emails that only your recipient can open. Even if someone captures your traffic, the message stays locked. And on the dark web, encryption is built into the way Tor works. Your data is wrapped in multiple layers of encryption, like an onion, peeled away one node at a time. That's why it's called the onion router. But here's the thing. Encryption only works if you use it correctly. Weak passwords, reused keys, or trusting unverified software can break everything. We'll show you exactly how to encrypt your messages and files in upcoming videos. But for now, remember this. Encryption is your armor. It's what makes anonymous communication possible. And in the digital underground, that can make all the difference. Let's move on.